Hi, in this video, I am going to demonstrate how to import customers from an Excel sheet to QuickBooks using the QODBC driver and Microsoft Copilot. Start QuickBooks and log into your QuickBooks company file. In QuickBooks, navigate to the Customer menu and click Customer Center. This will show you the list of customer records in QuickBooks. There are no customers in my QuickBooks company file. We will be importing the customers from the Excel sheet. This is the Excel sheet that we will be using. Click the Copilot icon from the toolbar. We will be using the following prompt to instruct Copilot to generate the VBA script for importing the data. Copilot may take a few minutes to generate the response. Copilot has generated the response. Let us scroll to the response. To execute the VBA code in Excel, press the Alt plus F11 keys. This will open the VBA editor. Let us copy the VBA code from Copilot and press the keys Alt plus F11. Insert a new module. Paste the copied code. Let us execute the VBA code by clicking the play button. If prompted, allow QODBC and Excel to connect to your QuickBooks company file. After authorizing the connection, the VBA script should be able to connect and insert data from the Excel sheet to QuickBooks. Please wait for the VBA script to complete the import. Customers' records will be inserted one by one into QuickBooks. All 50 records are inserted into QuickBooks. I hope this video helps.